Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can download Proton Mail onto your desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you firstly have to open any of your browsers. I'm opening my Chrome application here. Now, after opening your browser, click the Search tab and search for Proton Mail. Then, after searching, the site of Proton Mail will appear. Click on that Proton Mail site, and then you will see the download option here. You will see many options here like the web app, iOS app, Android app, and also Bridge for Proton Mail. But before downloading Proton Mail application onto your desktop, there is a small catch here. If you are a normal free user, you cannot download the application for Proton Mail. You can only use it in the web browser. But if you have the paid version of Proton Mail, you can download the application from here. In order to do that, just simply click on the Download for Windows option. After doing that, an application installer file will be downloaded onto your device shortly, depending on your internet connection. Now, after downloading the Bridge installer file, click on that file. Here, you just simply have to click Next through all of this and click through the Install button. Shortly after doing that, your Proton Mail Bridge application will successfully be installed onto your desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.